guys, welcome back to Flint's Tool Shed. Today we're going to do a short video on how to wood turn a top. So I already went ahead and put the wood on the lathe with my jaw chuck. I have a 1.5 by 1.5 piece of walnut, and we're just going to turn it and then we're going to make a top. Okay, so here we go, we're going to start turning. Okay, so I'm using my carbide turning tools today, and so your first step is just going to be to round the blank out. So after you do that, then you will start to actually form the top, but first you want to round it out. Okay, so you're gonna want to make sure not to make it too thin, and then you can start making the bottom shape. Okay, so now that I've made my shape, I'm now going to sand it and finish it, and then I can finish off the tip. Okay, so now that I've sanded it, I'm gonna put a finish on it, and then I will just cut right there, or with my diamond tip carbide tool, and then it'll give it a nice pointy edge, and then we'll be done. I'm gonna be doing a wipe on poly, and then I'll finish it off. Okay, so now we're going to finish it off by using my diamond tip carbide tool and getting it in there so that it comes off nice and easy. Okay, now I'm going to sand that top and then put the finish on it, and then we should be done. Alright, so this is the final product. Let's go see how it works. Alright, let's see how this spins. This is an easy and super fun toy to make, and it'd be great for a gift. If you're just getting into wood turning, it's easy to do. And so I hope you enjoyed the video, and comment any other toys that you'd like me to make, or anything that could be given as a gift for Christmas. It's probably what I'll be doing for the next few videos. And hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.